Hello students, let us see this question here. The period of oscillation of a simple pendulum is given by this equation is given, and the length is given of 100 centimeter and is known to have 1 millimeter accuracy. So error of length is given. The period is about 2 seconds and the time of 100 oscillation is measured by a stopwatch of the least count is this. So the stopwatch is having the error of 0.1 second. So it is asking the percentage error in G. So let us solve this. So as I know, T is given 2 pi L by Z root. If I need to find the error in Z. So if I take the, if I do the squaring both sides, so this will become T a square, that will become 4 pi a square into L upon G. So I can say from here, G if I take this side, so that will become 4 pi a square L upon T a square. So, so I can say from here the percentage, so what are the informations given in the question? The error in L is given and error in T I have to find here. So let us see percentage error in L. It is given in the question only. So error in L, it is giving 1 millimeter. So in the centimeter, that will be equal to 0.1 centimeter, and the length is 100 centimeter. So that will be 100 into 100. So that will be the percentage error, and that is equal to 0.1 percentage. Okay. Now I need to find the error in period, right? Or you can say T. So in the question, the time is measured for 100 oscillation, and the total time is having the error of 0.1 second, because the stopwatch is having the error of 0.1 second. So let us see the total time. For 100 oscillation, that will be 200 seconds. So that will be 200 plus minus error is 0.1 second. Okay. So this is the total time for 100 oscillations. I write here for 100 oscillations. Okay. So I will say the capital T is equal to total time, that is 200 plus minus 0.1 divided by 100. So that will give you the period of the one, that will give you the time period for one oscillations, and that is equal to 2 plus minus 0.1 upon 100. So that is, so this much second is coming. So the error is this. So so now I will find the percentage error in capital T. So I'm writing percentage error in T is equal to, the error in capital T is 0.1 divided by 100 into the time period is 2, so that will be 2 here, into 100. So that will give the percentage error in T. So this will get cancelled out, and that will become 0.1 upon 2 percentage. Now now okay, now I need to find the percentage error in G. So for that purpose I am omitting this. So from here I can say the percentage error in G will be equal to the constant I need to ignore here, and I will say percentage error in G is equal to percentage error in L plus 2 times of percentage error in T, that is 2 times of percentage error in T. So percentage error in L I have calculated, that is 0.1%. So 0.1% plus 2 into the percentage error in capital T is 0.1 divided by 2. So that will get cancelled out, and it is coming 0.2%. So that will be the answer. So which option is matching? 0.2%, option 3. Okay students, I hope you understood this question.